this is for you. I mean, for me. I'm putting the money in the envelope, okay? There you go. I'm putting an envelope. This sounds crazy, but I'm doing it, and I'm not shaking. I'm very confident. Because a year and a half ago, I prayed for you, and I got you. And doesn't matter it took so long, but I know this is it. I'm confident, I'm believing it, and I know that what I'm doing right now, it's going to come back to me like crazy good. And God told me, and I was even upset about that because I did not like your, like how you talk, like bad words and stuff. And God told me, this is this guy, you got to stay with him no matter how hard it is for you, but this is him. So I pray for you, and I pray and pray, and you did change. And that's already signs from God that I supposed to send you this money to make lots of much more money. So I'm putting an envelope and I'm sending it to you. Doing it like this. Put in a newspaper like you said, and putting in this orange envelope right here. All right, you watching me to doing it? There is already your P.O. box and everything. I'm closing the envelope. Hold on. I gotta do it this. There you go. All right. And I am ready to go. So let's go, guys. Do the same thing because it's gonna be worth it. Bye, Vitz. Take care. Love you, man.
Sorry about the interruption there. But it's been a good life, and I'm going to send this in, and I think I found a way. I believe with all my heart that I found a way to pay this money back to myself, back to my family, for my retirement, where I can do a little traveling around the United States. Don't care anything much about going out of the United States, but I would like to travel the United States, and I found a way to do it.
I'm carrying your love with me, West Virginia down to Tennessee.
David Adamson here. I've never made a video before in my life. Haven't even taken a selfie. But I got a little project going on, and I just went to the bank, and I got $2,100 bills. There's 20 of them. That's $2,000 if you're counting. And what I'm going to do with that, and I'm going to put this in a bank envelope, back in the bank envelope that I got it at. We're going to put that back in there, and we're going to seal that up nice and tight. And I'm going to send this, I'm going to send him a golf magazine. I'm going to put it inside a golf magazine. Hope the golf magazine did better for you, Vic, than it did for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the golf magazine. I'm going to put it in this envelope right here. And I'm going to take it to the post office, and I'm going to send cash to my mentor. They don't have overnight service where you are, Vic, so you'll probably get it Monday. Well, you will get it Monday, because I'll put a guarantee on it for Monday, and you'll get this. And what this is, folks, is in my life, I had a good life. I grew up rodeo cowboy, had a good life. I worked, sold groceries in Tennessee and Middle Tennessee and Georgia, Alabama, Kentucky for almost 30 years. Enjoyed it very much. Kind of semi-retired right now. I ran into a guy by the name of Vic Hutchinson on the internet one day, and got to doing his program. And I've done a few programs in my life. Never was very successful with them, but Vic is my mentor, and I think the world of him. I'm going to send him $2,000 in cash. I have been looking for a way. I've lost my 401ks. through no fault of my own. But anyway, I lost my 401ks. I had to live on them. And, getting old's not for sissies. But it's a good thing.
'Cause I'm carrying your love with me, West Virginia down to Tennessee. I'll be
and I'm making this video for my mentor and my coach, Nick Hutchinson from Not MLM, and we are launching a new program on Monday called Not MLM Pro. And you wanted to know why I was doing this. Well, I'm doing this because I want to become a better marketer, and I want to rebuild my life from a long-term marriage and divorce, and I want to create a better life for my kids and my grandkids. And this is so out of her comfort zone at the moment. It is a test beyond belief right now. I am shaking. But here goes. As per instructions, we are to take $2,000 US, put it in an envelope, put our email address on it, place it in the middle of a magazine. Better seal it. Magazine with his name and address. Seal it. Here we go. To Nick Hutchinson. This is a test on so many levels. This is out of my comfort zone. This is going to treat marketers and see how dedicated we are to his training. And just do as he says without asking stupid questions. So I'm going to register this right now. Come with me. This is brief. This feels like a deep going down, like right now. We used to do this. We used to do this years ago. I don't know why it's so scary now. I'm going to trust in the process because it's going to work. And we're going to set this launch off right come Monday. This has to get thick by Friday at the latest. Let's see all of our envelopes being opened. Very exciting. And we'll have to do a prayer. We'll do a prayer right now that this package reaches Vic on Friday in one piece and all intact. And our launch goes smoothly. It'll be awesome. I am excited too, but this much excited, this much scared out of my limbs.
Yeah, I'm gonna cover it.
Take this seriously, as he says. The ones that are not going to tap out, let's find out how many are going to take this training seriously. Get to the finish line.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Good.
buttermilk for that?
Guess what time it is? It's time to go get my mailbox cash. It's mailbox cash. Coming in today in my mailbox.
Good morning, everyone. I'm opening my mailbox cash that came in the mailbox today, and I wanted to just thank James for getting involved in the program. And we're going to open this up right now and count it out, folks. This is a mailbox cash program where people send real cash in the mail. Here we go. There's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, $1,000 is my affiliate commission on this program. And again, this is Not MLM Pro by Vic Hutchinson. And Jim sent me this nice letter. It says, I am pumped to have this opportunity to accomplish my goals. Thanks, Jim. I really appreciate it. And I hope everybody that sees this video knows that it's real and you can do it too. Thank you.
This is for you. I mean, for me. I'm putting the money in the envelope, okay? There you go. I'm putting an envelope. This sounds crazy, but I'm doing it, and I'm not shaking. I'm very confident. Because a year and a half ago, I prayed for you, and I got you. And doesn't matter it took so long, but I know this is it. I'm confident, I'm believing it, and I know that what I'm doing right now, it's going to come back to me like crazy good. And God told me, and I was even upset about that because I did not like your, like how you talk, like bad words and stuff. And God told me, this is this guy, you gotta stay with him no matter how hard it is for you, but this is him. So I pray for you, and I pray, and you did change. And that's already signs from God that I supposed to send you this money to make lots of much more money. So I'm putting an envelope and I'm sending it to you. Doing it like this, putting in a newspaper like you said, and putting in this orange envelope right here. All right, you watching me to doing it? There is already your PO box and everything. I'm closing the envelope. Hold on. I gotta do it this. There you go. All right. And I am ready to go. So let's go, guys. Do the same thing because it's gonna be worth it. Bye, Vitz. Take care. Love you, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? How's everybody doing tonight? Just doing a quick live. I know I haven't been on here in a while. I was supposed to do this earlier, but I was up and about and I just got home a few minutes ago. So, point of this live is cash money, right? Mailbox money. So today I wanted to do a quick testimonial. My man Rob, welcome to the team. You know, now since he's on the team, he can do basically same thing we're doing. The ultimate goal is 100 grand in 30 days. Seems kind of far-fetched, right? I know people already passed that. So how they make these things childproof. So let's see what we got in here. On the folder. This was today. I know a lot of people get a lot of packages. What's up, Jeff? Show you guys this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 grand right here. One day in the mail. It's not fake money. It's real money. It's a pretty simple system, guys. It's high ticket, $2,000 to get in system. We sell you a product that basically helps you get the leads that you need. It's an automated lead generation system. Plus, we give you all the videos to use, all the scripts to use, whatever you need to get started. You know, and I have like maybe 5 different ways that you can promote this. You know, and this is just the beginning, guys. Anybody can do it. It's simple. You know, if you're on Facebook probably all day, most of the time anyway, so why not promote something that, you know, that could change your life, you know, not dimes and nickels, basically. So whoever wants to know more about this and wants to start getting thousands in the mail, let me know. It's on the description. You know, message me, comment, info you want in, and I'll tell you guys all about it. You know, I have a few different ways that I put this out there to people. It's not just Facebook. You know, I know some of you might be shy. I'm a little shy. I usually don't even do Facebook Lives, but today I said I would do a testimonial when my man Rob, you know, sent this. So, Rob, welcome to the team. Can't wait to start seeing your lives and you getting this money just like this. You know, our team is growing daily. This is also not that 30-day success formula. It's not that, so don't message me, don't ask me about that. This has nothing to do with that. There's a total different system. This is mailbox money. This is not MLM Pro version. We have a junior version that's low ticket for those of you that can afford this amount, you know, but for the ones that can, get back at me. Let's start getting this money. All right, guys. Everybody, have a good night. God bless. Love you all. Hit me up.